spiraling issues and controversies surrounding the signing of young Whisper Richards by Chelsea. Why so much drama? Why can't Whisper just sign a little contract, make his way up to England, play some football, and everybody be happy? A little youth from Jamaica with some football talent about to get the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And here comes a big public family feud. Accusations and counter-accusations, swirling questions about the status of the Phoenix Academy, all putting pressure on this 17-year-old youth who is supposed to be concentrating fully on honing his skills and thinking about acclimatizing to life in a new country and a new culture and to go play some football. But instead, young Whisper is being bombarded by all this negativity and burdened by all these controversies, none of which were of his making or doing. But you know what I say? All of this is a test for Whisper though. Yes, man. A test that we hope and pray that he passes with flying colors as he flies away. All right, Whisper, fly out and leave.